Titanium, not just a metal, but the backbone of innovation.
Welcome to another video here with us at Design to Product Limited.
This journey of creation is intricate, a dance between material and machine.
CNC machining transforms raw titanium into forms of unmatched precision and durability, enabling leaps in aerospace, mechanical, and marine industries.
With its unparalleled strength-to-weight ratio, titanium parts defy the limits of gravity, offering the resilience needed for the most demanding applications, from the depths of the ocean to the far reaches of space.
But working with this space-age metal is not without its challenges. The process demands a symphony of precision and expertise, as the material's unique properties call for advanced machining strategies. At Design to Product Limited, the journey from concept to creation is guided by experience and innovation. Here, the complexities of CNC machining titanium are not just met, they are mastered.
For more detailed assistance on CNC machining, or to get a fast quote, including delivery to your non-sanctioned country, you can send your STP, PDF files, and quantities to team@d2pcnc.com.
And for a comprehensive guide on CNC machining with titanium, you can book a meeting with us through the Calendly link listed on this video.
Thanks for watching, and see you on the next video.